Todd, and the rest of you goons and mutants out there, top of the morning, we're looking at 65 degrees. Light winds coming out of the northwest around 3 knots. Barometric pressure around 1500 millibars. Humidity about 10%. And one Fender Blues Dlx reissue that refuses to switch. Now, it is not the low voltage supply. That's been addressed. You can see that. You can see that here. All that's been addressed. We have happy op amps throughout. Everything's nice. Except this guy. Whoop. This is my first encounter with a switch failure in all the years I've been doing this. Pretty amazing. We have the replacement here. We're gonna get busy. We're gonna get crazy. I was just saying, we're gonna flip this board out and put this guy in there. Because this dude is no longer latching. It's not doing anything. So let's dig in. Let's get access to this board and get this puppy fixed up and sent back to you, Todd. Bye. All right. And now she's latching. Let's get some sound. Get everything about midway up. All right. Awesome. Come and get her, Todd. Bye.